3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a kookaburra. Kookaburras are like the laughing comedians of the Australian bush. They have a distinctive call that sounds like laughter. Kookaburras are skilled hunters and are known for their friendly, social behavior. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a okapi. Okapis are like the mysterious, striped forest dwellers of the Congo in Africa. They resemble a mix of a zebra and a giraffe with unique black and white stripes on their legs. Okapis are shy and elusive creatures. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a hyena. Hyenas are like the boisterous, laughter-filled members of the savanna. They have shaggy fur and are skilled hunters and scavengers. Hyenas are known for their distinctive calls and strong jaws. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a pika. Pikas are like the tiny, mountain-dwelling musicians of the high alpine regions. They have round bodies and make high-pitched calls. Pikas are known for their energetic nature and collecting plants to store for the winter. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a red fox. Red foxes are like the sly, cunning creatures of the woodlands. They have a russet-colored coat and a bushy tail. Red foxes are skilled hunters and can adapt to various environments, making them one of the most widely distributed mammals in the world. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a Helia Monster. Helia monsters are like the colorful, slow-paced lizards of the desert. They have bright orange and black patterns on their skin. Helia monsters are known for their venomous bite and their unique way of storing fat in their tails for the times when food is scarce.
Hi friends, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to see more videos. Thanks for watching.